guests, dear friends, welcome to the live show. This is Karina.
This is Yolanda from Gelgood Company.
In today's live show, we will going to introduce Gelgood Company and our production lines to you.
Okay, today we will mainly introduce our company and we will review the frying production line because it is very popular and very hot selling in many countries. And next, we mainly introduce our star production line, the waffle cone production line. And also another star production line is the spring roll wrapper production line.
Okay, there will be a short introduction to you.
Okay.
The 6 areas, the company introduction, and also our main products. And then we show our successful project solutions. And to show the quality assurance to see our capacity for the quality control. This area is to show your added value service about the delivery and the customized service, etc. And in the 6th area, we are going to introduce more about us and our customers and how we serve our customers.
Okay, now let's go on our company introduction. Hope you can know more about our company. Our company is located in Zhengzhou and with 3 offices in China and mainly in Zhengzhou and Guangzhou City. Our company Gelgood is founded in 2010. Gelgood including Haikingla, Kanki, Gelgood and Langer. And our Gelgood G means committed to the concept of technology development. And our mission is for food. Our vision is the most trusted water brand in food processing manufacture. This is our Gelgood factory, Henan Haikingla Industry Technology Company. This is the layout and inside the surroundings of our factory. This is our spare parts raw material warehouse, and this is our finished products area. This is our delivery and raw material pricing material. And these are our final products showing area. This is about our Gelgood team, and this is our exporting team. We have this R&D team. We also have a production team and a logistics team. And we also make exporting team activities like our customer visiting office and factory pictures, and we also visit our country like last year to Niger other countries in Africa like Sudan and Algeria. Egypt and other countries. This is about our wooden packaging material. Usually, it's the standard 40 standard, and this is loading, delivery area, and our product showing area. These are about our job, the polishing, welding, our raw material processing, part in our product. Okay, next is the main part, our products.
Okay, so our company's main product mainly three sectors. For example, the fruit vegetable processing, and we have full aspect of, and also we have pastry and snack processing. We have a single machine with all the equipment, so we can also material. So these are three products. So now we produce the fried vegetables and fruit. Also, solution for it. Juice used in the and very production lines. And for the plastic, the big show, for example, the spring, the ice cream, fried chicken wings, etc. For example, and for the equipment, packed materials, get the snacks and foods, etc. Other examples for final products, vegetables, snacks, many others. This is also our South Asia and export. New Zealand, biscuits. Actually, people like biscuits. And this shows our actor sheets do the and also the, for example, and the sector we can do. Okay, so just experience in food, machinery, and production provider for production line. So we are going to introduce the machine comes to production line supply and maintenance. We will MVP will start with a final solution. Very fast. Biscuit actually this biscuit for Asia, for example, is the raw production line. Then after that, after have a lower down the grade instruction for something a dry final part is about our import in and keep attention alignment for the technique. It's a very
awards. GW inter show certificates and receive our our packing machine and the award Indonesia for Mengniu partner and and uh, and next hope you can know more about our company other aspects. Let my colleague Karina show to you.
So we would want you to know more about us. First, we want you to know what we work with and our partners from worldwide. So we Gel Group work with very esteemed brands in all over the world. For example, Mengniu and also Unilever. This for the ice cream cone production lines. We offer the whole production lines to their factory. And also we have other famous brands here in Indonesia, United States, Canada, Italy, Sri Lanka. And in April, we also supplied a spring roll that is automatic with the folding functions of the whole production line to Cargill. And also we have other customers. Those are the famous brands we work with. Actually, we have a kind of a sales award in our factory to show which products we supply to. And for this sales market, we will update the information each year. And you can market from our departments and also in China, Malaysia, and also in most of the Asian countries, African countries, etc. We have many customers from these areas.
Yeah, we have exported so many countries.
Yes, and these are the activation because we will join exhibition all over the world for the food exhibition, vegetables, etc. Because this is a great opportunity there. We meet with our customers, offer solutions, and also get feedback by visiting our local customers. And these are the examples for our exhibition worldwide. And also we joined Canton Fair, especially this year, considering the circumstances, we are holding it online. So we also attend the Canton Fairs also. And absolutely, for the foreign business, we have foreign customers to visit our factory to check the factory and check the machinery quality. And more important, some customers would like to face-to-face discussions to have settle their order and to confirm every detail for their machinery. So these are the examples that our customer visit our factory and in our office. We take picture with them as memorize. And also, we have very good cooperation with these customers. And we also welcome you to visit our company when the situation getting better. And if you have any questions, you can also contact our sales online, give our instant message or post it on the website. So that's the information we're showing for it. So that I believe you have a clear picture of our company, production, and market worldwide. And thank you for joining us. In the following, we are going to introduce the start production. Production going to take like 30 minutes. Main production for today's live show. So let's. Do you know what the material
fried with can find in machine.
You can use and also some very snack in other dumplings and yes.
So now let's our frying our hot salmon and jelly.
The machine and we can that is the second one where so we have all these and another is very that is continuous.
In business customers, we can see outlook material, yeah, magic.
Shows the table of each bottom. So what materials can be made and the temperature you hear that blender because some our customers use any
Yeah, the things this is yeah in the back in the bottle
popular snack.
and the square and the rectangle shape of chin chin.
Yes, we have many shapes and sizes available. We will show you the shapes and the samples if you want. Okay, let's get back to the frying machine, right?
Okay.
Actually, this frying machine have two types of heating methods. That is electric heating or gas heating. So, and all the functions are controlled by this control cabinet. You could set the oil temperature, and also you could control. Actually, this is automatic one, right? So there is other functions. For example, you look at the details of the machine. So you could find that there are two wings.
To mix the materials more evenly and make it heating evenly.
Yes,
and the final
right.
product maybe looks and taste very perfect.
Yes, and this saves manpower. So you don't have to mix the materials by manpower, right?
Yeah.
And also this is a function, and you can just control by the
Control
button.
cabinet.
Yes, and also what is the other function for this automatic machine? That is, after frying, you have to take out the materials, right? In early the semi-automatic one, you have to lift the heavy basket off, right? But this machine, you don't have to because you only need to press the button and then it will automatically lift the materials and the materials will move from the oil and it stays there for several seconds just in order the oil may drop. And then you just also press the button and it will drop the materials off this fryer. So this whole process, once you put the material inside, all the process is automatic one. So this is very good choice for example, the chin chin frying because you could connect lift the materials inside. Then this machine can also connect to the oil machine. So and many if you want it to more automatic way, right?
Can leave the message your WhatsApp and also search our website. Online, let's show the continuous industry frying out
frying machines, we have electric or gas heating machines according to different countries' requirements. But this one is the gas fryer. You could also see there is a burner with a red box, right? And you can also see the details brand is an Italian brand, Real White. This one also we use Chinese. We also use the top cheese. So these are the stuff, and you could
Yes.
also see those inside. For this is gas heating, and you could see there's some kind of tunnel. The air heat will flow inside. It can keep the heat for a longer time, so that it is called safe. It will heat the oil. The upper shell and belt is lifted. Upper shell conveyor belt. So the oil very the machine set out and the inside and then
Here's machine because partner wants the fried chicken is very cheaper.
so all there is kind of to control the fry, but later the fry
Can also
in order. So the details we want to from Snyder famous. So further look at this. So place this heat into the oil. So the
what's the amount can the machine
okay concerns machine of the level to here. Then you start. You just need inside. Just put the water. I mean, so when the will is working materials into the oil and can be fried. Thing is, it can from the beginning the function of
frying machine custom mesh belt in time
the is our by the is 500 of another according to or we can you are because this is and this that and so you material that our cell get from
it's up to
the lotion. So customize for customer is full of small spray lifter.
yeah,
Yes,
yes. For your this
yes.
yes I
Can change. So when the trans goes in and transmission. So how to actually you can find for it. So there is certain to this
There's body for the
our customer in round port from so find about the frying pans. You just right
the
speed of this stop could beautiful. It just slow so under out.
is just mesh temperature, time, and the temperature, and others.
Yes, and the oil temperature you could set 100, like for example 20, 220 degrees or max 300 degrees according to the materials. You could set the temperature here, and if you want whether what's the oil temperature is good for your materials, actually you can still contact our engineers. You can contact through this information, and they will give you solution on the oil temperature and more information how to clean the machines, how to we also have oil these machines you can use and work out solution for you.
Yes, more information you can leave a message and search for our website, and also you can inquire our service.
Is this machine familiar to you?
Yeah, this is also the vibrating machine.
Yes, of course. And
Yeah.
what is the purpose? Because you have one there, but what is the purpose here? So we
Yes.
all know that after frying, the material will get overheated, right? And the temperature is high, and there will be some, especially for some snacks and for some materials, there will be kind of extra oil on the surface, right? So you have to remove the extra oil and lower down the temperature, right? So this machine is especially designed. This is called the oil vibration. So why we offer this? Because we also have other the oil machine that is have a stronger effect on the oil, right? So this is our customer concern because their material is kind of crispy because the pot rings after frying like kind of like cracker.
Yes.
So if you, they worry
And also very light.
light, right?
Yeah.
Yes, and if you use our the oil machine with that is kind of work way like you see a central figure effect is very strong. So they fear that it may damage.
Yeah.
So they want some more gentle and can also remove the oil. So they need this one. You can see there's some small holes on this plate. So during up and down, the material weight, the oil will drop. To hot oil if they drop, so we also have the spread.
And this is very intelligent.
Yes,
And also, is this the
have a stronger two types. So because the protein is very light, if you so the, and protein is a mesh belt, it is movable of the mesh up and shorten the you just select this button, very good one. Also, another this line is very good for the limited space will be so strong to get to the and also you may see there's some kind of maybe that just like the upload this is heavy material wash or up to you right to this solution.
To join with just with the surface in the vegetable road material, but not good.
Go on to look at customer the food and I mention more about mass belt. This is also considered the speed and also the whole production line speed and can adjust it the switch you could see emergency button in something you after all this big fault see other
Yeah.
put the flexible job and the market and drop direct down. So when this is power indication each but start rolling the also you could say it to some because the
Yeah.
in some cases the corn flakes any other if you also want solutions for frying the chicken wings or chicken nuggets or chin chin you can also contact us for the solution the video and more details.
Okay. Next, let's go on our ice cream cone production output. Yeah.
Yes, and absolutely, because in summer, in fact, especially in some areas, the temperature is high, people will go out and they will get an ice cream. That is the very, very best thing, and especially in the high temperature, right? So
Yes.
we also got the production line to producing the ice cream cones. And the famous brand we work with is Unilever in Indonesia factory, the whole production lines. We supplied our lines to them, and for the installation, we sent our engineers there and to help them install for the maintenance and training. So that is the project case we did for Unilever. And also we work with Mengyu, for example, we also supply the wafer cone production lines to them as well. And also, I noticed that actually there's some individual workshop also need to produce the ice cream cones. Not all our users are from the ice cream factory, right? So, do you have any suggestion if I'm a
Yeah.
business start, I want to first maybe produce wafer cones less capacity to test the market. So do you have any solution for customers like me?
Yes, for the ice cream cone, it usually includes the wafer cone,
Yes.
the wafer cone. It's also called the sugar cone, and also it also has the pizza cone.
Yeah.
And for the wafer cone, it is usually the principal the pizza mold, and for the sugar cone, it is usually produced by for the wafer cone and the sugar cone. For the wafer cone and the sugar cone, you can be to American, Canada, the salt and our gas. Now there is some videos of the ultimate. This is the feeling you feel the taste at the wafer cone. The pepper.
Some customers you have for better quality of it. You have the rest
Yeah, can see this is
important and you
yes. Also, right car. It is very we also can cook
and this is his customer letters. So it's the
of the
can actually can customer produce different steps the wafer code. For example, and customize the machine to produce one.
like the core of the wafer
You can customize
to for corn. All the
see the right like the patterns by this mold. So heating the mold
and the material alloy it to the making to we need to hold the you can the handle pick up the part just you just paste like cup
take this right
mold
and to draw it.
for the machine automatic
What is the heating for the fry? Also get him what about
frying it is the chick neglect chick even it can make big but if want we also have the for the gas is very cheaper for the
you got the machine another machine with possible. Why it is automatic? Because it is also single machine, so waste cut show it is automatic one.
yeah this is controlled by the control cabinet and this and for the whole line you just need to you don't need to lift the paste by hand and put in the cups and then put down the mold. The automatic production line can finish the whole production line like the filling, like a paste beater, like a filling and baking and demolding. It is all automatic processing.
Okay, so I see a picture that is with an automatic feeding devices, right? So they will kind of lift the material or the paste automatic and drop into the mold and then heat it. It is automatic, right?
Yes, it is automatic. Yeah, next, we can show the sugar cone machine to our star production line. We have a semi-automatic sugar cone machine and automatic sugar cone machine.
Okay.
Yeah, we have some samples of the sugar cone machine. This is usually the wheat starch, water, oil, and egg and sugar. It makes the final product taste very crispy.
Yes, and I also found is thin. It is so small. It's kind of mini one. I can put it on directly eat it, right?
Yeah, this
So-
is the finger sugar cone.
Purpose for because you can put ice cream in it. I can imagine.
Yeah,
Right.
it is usually put chocolate in it, and it is very popular in Malaysia,
Yes.
Indonesia, American, and Chile.
Yeah.
It is very popular when our customer produced this finger sugar cone. It is very mini
Yes.
and very
So,
cute.
so actually, I think this is a new opportunity chance for if customer want to diversify their products by
Yes.
adding the chocolate and serving in the market. I think kids will like it a lot because
Yes.
people like chocolate and crispy snacks.
Yeah, we can produce different size and different size and different patterns of the sugar cone machine according to our customer requirement. And usually the diameter and the height is adjustable according to our customer requirement. Because with the same baking plate, we can adjust the paste size and the paste amount to adjust the thickness and height and the diameter of the sugar cone.
Okay, so I just noticed that we have
Yeah, it tastes very crispy, and I can taste one sugar cone.
is
Wow.
it how is the taste?
Yeah,
Crispy.
very fluffy and crispy.
Okay.
Yeah,
If we put some ice cream, I will certainly like it.
yeah, very delicious.
And I also noticed we have also semi-automatic machines for baking sugar cones. So later we
Yeah.
will take a look at it about the semi-automatic machines. I also see that we also have a full automatic production line. So
Of
could
course,
you-
we have the tunnel, tunnel shape industrial sugar cone, the processing and baking and the products.
to operate the whole line, right?
Yes,
See lines.
around and if you 37 automation line.
If a customer wants to put
Feed our
tea for the line, so if